Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to add Zenler leads as subscribers in Pabbly email marketing. So here let's say that whenever a new lead is generated in Zenler, then you want to add that lead as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So now to do this, you have to build an integration between these two applications, for which you can use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. So here your trigger application will be Zenler and your action application will be Pabbly email marketing. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to add Zenler leads as subscribers in Pabbly email marketing automatically. So here let's assume that whenever a new lead is captured in your Zenler account, then by using the lead details, you wish to add that lead as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing automatically. Now the same can be done by using Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. So here I will be signing into my Pabbly Connect account. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and you will get 100 tasks for free every month. So as an existing user, I am signing in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. Here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. Now this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. And now in this dialog box appearing, I will give my workflow a name. So here I have named it as add Zenler leads as subscribers in Pabbly email marketing automatically. So over here on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Zenler. So now here I'm going to click on create. Now as I did that, I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Basically, action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Zenler leads as subscribers in Pabbly email marketing automatically. So over here in my trigger window, I'm going to use Zenler as my trigger application. So here it is. And the trigger event will be new lead. So here I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event. Now moving to my action application. So here in this action window, I'm going to search for Pabbly email marketing, and here it is. And the action event will be to add subscriber. So here as you can see that I've selected the trigger application and the trigger event along with the action application and the action event. So here in Zenler, whenever a new lead will be created, then automatically that lead will be added as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So now to do this, I will go to my trigger window. Firstly, I have to establish a connection between my Zenler account and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And here if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same or you can add a new connection. So to add a new connection, you need to mention the API key and the school or account name. So read this instruction given below carefully because this will help you to fetch these details. So now I will take you to my Zenler account. So here in Zenler, I will go to my profile and then I will go to settings. And in settings, here I'm simply going to scroll down and then I'm going to go to developers, and over here you will find the API key. So this here is the API key. So as of now, I will go with the existing API key, but if you want to generate a new API key, then you can click on this reset API key button. So here I'm going to copy the API key, and here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste the same. So once the API key is pasted, now moving to the school or account name. So this I will find it in the URL itself. So here in Pabbly Connect, I will simply click on this URL, and this here is the school or account name. So I'm going to copy it. Then in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. So here, as I've mentioned the API key and the school or account name, now I'm going to click on save. And you can see that the connection was successful. So here, this is the form which I have created to capture the leads. So as soon as the form submission will be done, then automatically here in Pabbly Connect, the response will be captured. So here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So now over here in this form, I'm going to fill in the dummy details. So here the first name will be dummy. The last name will be subscriber. and the email will be subscriber@pabblytudes.com. So here I fill in the details and now I'm going to click on submit. So here you can see that the form is submitted. So moving back to Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that I have received a response. Here is the last name as subscriber. Here is the ID. Here is the first name and the email. That means the details which I have just filled in the form is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is successfully done. That means now whenever a new lead will be captured in Zenler, then automatically that lead details will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will check for new data in 8 hours. So this is a polling based application. So now here in action application, now I need to establish a connection between Pabbly email marketing and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm simply going to click on connect. So now to add a new connection, you need to give a bearer token. I will take you to the application page. And over here in Pabbly email marketing, I'm going to click on access now. So this here is the dashboard. I will go to integrations. And here in integrations, I will go to developer API. So this is the bearer token. I'm simply going to copy it. And then I'm going to paste the same in Pabbly Connect. So here I'm pasting it. And now I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that Pabbly email marketing and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. Now over here, I need to mention the list name where I want to add this subscriber. So here in Pabbly email marketing, I will take you to subscribers. And I have created a list by the name of new subscribers. So I want to add this subscriber in the list of new subscribers. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the list name as new subscribers. Now here I need to map the email of the lead. So this is the email of the lead and I'm going to map it. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So now I will follow the same process of mapping with the name as well. So here I'm going to map the name. I've mapped the first name. By giving a space, I'm going to map the last name as well. So here's the last name. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration over here in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now moving further, I'm going to click on save and send test request to see the response. So here you can see that I have received a response and it is a positive response. So the status is success and the message is list updated successfully. So now I will take you to Pabbly email marketing once again. And over here, I'm going to refresh it once. So here in new subscribers, you can see that a new subscriber has been added. So here is the email as subscriber@pabblytudes.com. Name is dummy subscriber. And this is the subscribe date as well. So that means the new lead which was captured in Zenler is successfully added over here as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So this automation and integration was a successful one. Now whenever a new lead will be captured in Zenler, then automatically that lead will be added as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.